We're here again in southwest Scotland at the double 16 rapid exit we're putting in. I'm going to do a quick walk through with it and show you the progress that we've been doing. We've got still quite a bit to do. Builders have got on well. We've got the floors in the tank room and things, so we'll go through a bit more detail with that. But the guys, they're taking their break at the minute, so we've got in place for ourselves again. And then we can go through it. So nice thing is I've just walked straight into the parlour through that doorway, no pit steps, no stairs to get up and down, and we'll take you through a couple of shots of the parlour now and what way that'll work. Still hard to take in that view whenever you see it. That's what they're going to be walking out from their milking with. But as I said, no pit steps here. Going to be a nice big glass door here. Walk straight in to your parlour. Left is going to be a chemical room. Right is where the bulk tank's going to be. And they've done a really nice job of putting in the floor dye and the hardener and things. So it's quite a big room there at the minute. But our tape coolers and milk filters and everything's going to be in there. As we walk on in, I said this is a double 16 rapid exit left for a double 20 rapid exit. Before we get actually into the parlour, so in here will be the office, and there's going to be some cloakrooms and things for staff and toilets, and then into here is where the pasteuriser is going to be located. So again, you can walk through to the dairy, but just separate rooms for things for keeping high standards for food quality. So the receiver vessel is going to go here, and it's a 3-inch loop line for double 20, and again on this side 3-inch loop line for this side with the receiver vessel, so milk pump all in variable speed. Balance tank up here for even vacuum distribution and stability, and whenever we get past the big vacuum cleaner, you'll see here what a site it's going to be to milking. We've got everything prepped for the double 20, the stainless steel brackets. So on here we'll have stainless steel milk lines, stainless steel wash lines, stainless steel. The farmers even went the extra mile and put in a stainless steel covering on the pit, so instead of painting it or putting plastic in, it's all stainless steel. Stainless steel curb edge, stainless steel cabinets, stainless steel dung shields, so a lot of stainless steel. With that, it's just going to be extra wide pit as well, and as you walk down here, we've got the silicon prepped and the ACRs as well. So again, ACRs, all compressed air, stainless steel. We have the pneumatic touch points here, still all plastic up, and still the same with the StreamWay 90 cabinets, all stainless steel. So our ACRs are in here, and all the electrical cables in here. So this can be all foamed down, power hose kept really, really clean. On the bottom side here, we'll have our smart meter. So the smart meter controls the shut-off valve, and again all compressed air. You see the curved nipples there for milk hose positioning, and then as we go up we can see the sequencing gates for the cows. So each cow has their own individual standing point, and it means whenever we ID through the archway at the bottom here, it means that we can lead feed the cows. So whenever we ID the first cow, it'll drop 10% of the feed or whatever you decide you want to drop, and that'll drop it in, and then so on. Same for number 2, 3, 4, and because they can't get in and pinch the feed because of the gates, it makes it really, really good for loading and unloading the cow. Up here then, as I said, we have the balance tank, and then we have a 4-inch line. A customer has decided to put his put the vacuum pump and the compressor and everything up there. So again, it's an Airstar DSL, oilless, very low maintenance. You don't have to keep getting oil to it. You just put gearbox oil into it, and then obviously our feeders are up here as well. So with the customer leaving it for a double 20, we're actually going to extend this frame out to this post and have it ready for the double 20, and we can just mount the auger and everything further out. So it's all done and dusted really. But it just gives you a little bit of an insight of what this parlour will look like. Again, we prep everything, or try to pre-prep everything as best we can. We have that's our power supplies and feeder power supplies and our touch point power supplies on one side, and then on the back side here we have the drive controls. So that again, this parlour is designed that it is essentially 2 parlours, nothing's tied. So if something happened, and it's hard to know what can happen, but you can still milk on one side, and instead of milk pump seals went down, you can then continue to milk on one side until one of our service guys gets here, or maybe someone on farm wants to change the milk pump seals. But it gives you an idea of where we're at with this job. Again, it looks really, really well and tidy. It'll be a great job. Farmers put a lot of thought into it, and we're already talking about collecting yard and handling facilities, putting in one of our Titan backing gates. It'll be, again, a very wide gate. It'll be guts of 50 foot wide, and then sorting and handling facilities. So it just gives you an idea. But as I said, stepping out of that parlour on a nice day to see this, and although we can't see it today, I've been here, you can see the Isle of Man from here. So that's what we're doing at this job at the minute, and that's where we're up to.